If you started an Etsy shop today, could you make your first sale in 30 days? Most beginners quit before they even get one. And it's not because Etsy's saturated, it's because they skip the fundamentals. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start an Etsy shop the right way, step by step, even if you're starting from zero. No audience, no experience, no fancy equipment. Let's build it properly. If we haven't met yet, welcome. My name is Harry and I'm the Print Shop Pro. On this channel, I break down the simple ways to build income online. If you haven't already yet, please hit the subscribe button below. It helps support the channel. And today, we're talking Etsy for beginners. Make sure you watch until the end, because step number 5 is where most people mess up. Step 1, what should you sell? First, what can you actually sell on Etsy? There are 4 main categories: handmade products, vintage items, 20 or more years older, craft supplies, and digital downloads. Now here's the mistake beginners make. They try to sell everything. Don't. Pick one category. Even better, just pick one type of product. For example, not jewelry, but minimalistic gold birthstone necklaces. Not t-shirts, but funny pickleball t-shirts. Specific sells. Make sure before you're creating anything, you're searching on Etsy. Look up demand. See if the keywords sell. See if people are buying it. Look at how many reviews top listings have. How professional the photos look. What customers are complaining about. That's your opportunity. Step 2, setting up your shop. First, let's go to etsy.com/sell. Here you want to choose your language, your country, your currency. Next, we're going to choose our shop name. A quick rule of thumb would be short, clean, and easy to spell. You don't want a really long name, you want something short and concise. Avoid numbers, avoid weird symbols. Remember, this is your brand. Once your name is set, you'll start creating listings. And this is where things get serious. Step 3, your listings make or break you. If your shop isn't getting sales, it's almost always your listing. Let's break down the 3 most important parts. Number 1, photos. Your photos need to be bright, they need to be clear, they need to show multiple angles, and they need to show size comparison. If you're taking real product photos, remember, natural light near a window works great. If your photos look homemade, your shop looks untrustworthy. Number 2, title and SEO. Remember, Etsy is a search engine. So instead of writing cute planner, you're going to write 2026 digital daily planner, printable, instant download PDF. See the difference? Use keywords buyers are actually typing. Put your main keyword at the beginning of the title, in your 13 tags, and in your description. This is how people find you. Number 3, description. Answer questions before customers ask. What size is it? What material? How do they download it? How long does shipping take? Clear descriptions increase conversions. Step 4, pricing correctly. Now let's talk money. Etsy charges listing fees, transaction fees, and payment processing fees. So don't price based on what feels right. You have to calculate materials and time and fees and your expected profit. And here's the beginner tip. Do not compete by being the cheapest. Compete by being better. Better photos, better branding, better customer experience. Step 5, promotion. Most people skip this. Here's the truth. If you just post your listings and wait, you'll probably wait a long time. Etsy gives new shops limited exposure at first, so you need traffic. Use platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, Pinterest, Facebook. Good ideas would be to post behind the scenes, you packing your orders, how you make your product, customer reviews. Remember, people buy from brands they trust, and content builds trust. Step 6, getting your first reviews. Your first 5 sales matter the most. Why, you ask? Because reviews build credibility. So over-deliver. Fast replies, fast shipping, kind messages. After the delivery, send a polite follow-up message thanking them to encourage a review. Do not beg for reviews. Just provide great service. Starting an Etsy shop isn't about being perfect. It's about being smart. Remember, pick one product, create 5 to 10 strong listings, optimize for SEO, and promote consistently. And give it at least 30 days of effort. Remember, the Etsy algorithm takes a little bit of time to find your listing. If you're serious about launching your shop, comment below what you're planning to sell. I'd love to see it to make future videos. And if you want a full video on Etsy SEO or digital products, let me know. And if you found any value at all in this video, please hit the subscribe button. As I said earlier, it helps support the channel. We're hoping to grow our community and provide more future videos like this in the near future. See you in the next one.